All right, so that was 18 eggs that I scrambled with some milk. Now I placed my sausage patties on there as well. And we're seasoning this up. That was just a little bit of freshly ground pepper. Now I'm gonna come in with some salt. You can season this to your liking. However you like your eggs, just go ahead and season it that way. Beautiful. Now I have some garlic powder, and then some of you guys give me a hard time for putting garlic powder on eggs, but I absolutely love garlic powder on everything, so eggs are no exception. And we're gonna add a generous amount of that. Beautiful. I have some Italian seasoning, and this is all on my greased sheet pan. So easy, so quick, great little brunch for Sunday, or any day of the week if you want to meal prep. And of course, we're gonna add some veggies to this. I have a diced red bell pepper that we're just gonna sprinkle in there. You can use whatever veggies you like, but we gotta start the morning off right with some healthy veggies in here. And you can saute your veggies if you want them a little bit overcooked or a little mushy, but I'm just throwing them in here and seeing how this comes out. I saw this on Instagram and I was like, I need this right now. I have some cut up spinach. I love spinach, especially with my breakfast. If I'm making a good omelet, I'm always throwing spinach in this. And this is kind of like one big old omelet, right?
It looks good.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. It'll feed about 10 people, or if you have some really hungry people, it'll feed about 8. Everyone gets like a sausage or 2. Beautiful. And of course, we need some potatoes. And these are the petite spudlings. I found these at the store and I was like, you're coming home with me. I absolutely love potatoes, and anything that's mini just makes it so much better. And we're just sprinkling everything evenly onto our sheet pan. Like I said, you can add whatever you like, but I am excited. I mean, sausages are my favorite breakfast meat, so this is gonna be really, really good, but you could also do bacon. You could add whatever you want, as I said. And we're just getting a good amount of those potatoes in there. They are cut up so small that they will cook fully with our sausages and our eggs. Beautiful. And I'm gonna throw in some onions. I'm using the yellow onions. You could use the red onions, the white onions, but I love this. It's just gonna be just packed with so much flavor. I mean, the sausage, the bell peppers, the spinach, the potatoes, and now these beautiful onions. I mean, this is gonna be eggs to a whole new level. And I'm just eyeballing all these quantities. And if you thought we were gonna do this without some cheese, you were severely wrong. We have our triple cheddar blend that we're getting in there as well. I'm gonna kind of try to keep the cheese off of the sausages, but if a little bit gets on there, that is no problem. And we're using our Tillamook cheese, the best cheese in the world, and we're just sprinkling that on there. Obviously, you could grade your own cheese, but I was feeling lazy. I just wanted to throw everything in here and be done. I wish that they had pre-cut bell peppers, because then my life would be even easier. But you know what? We're making do with what we have. I have a chopper at home and his name is Danny, and he cuts up all of my veggies, so I'm lucky. Okay, yeah. And I think this is ready. I have my oven set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 50 minutes. Oh my, talk about perfection. Oh, I am so excited to dig into this. I have my plate and my fork ready, and we're gonna go ahead and just dig right into it. And I did grease this pan, so it should just come right off.
Perfect.
Oh, that looks so good. And then of course, you guys know I need my sriracha on my breakfast. So I'm just gonna do a nice little drizzle. Beautiful. Yummy. Sausage, potatoes, veggies, eggs. This is a complete breakfast. Oh, and that sausage is perfectly cooked. Cannot wait.
Is it good?
Woo. Top. But that is so tasty. Wow. I'm gonna have to make this again. It's so good.